latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about a very special friendship. A friendship which began way back in 2008 and continues to grow with every passing day. I'm talking about the friendship between former Team India coach Gary Kirsten and Indian batting legend Sachin Tendulkar. In this video, I'll be telling you when Guru Gary became Dost Gary for the Indian batting legend, why Guru Gary saved Sachin Tendulkar's international career in 2007, and why did Gary Kirsten say thank you Sachin when he left Indian cricket in 2011. The year was 2007 and Team India's confidence was at its lowest, and so was Sachin Tendulkar's. The team had already made an early exit from the 50-over World Cup campaign in West Indies, and Sachin Tendulkar's confidence had hit rock bottom. He was not sure about whether to continue playing for India in international cricket, and the great man has also conceded that on more than one occasion that he wanted to quit international cricket way back in 2007. Now, this is where Gary Kirsten entered Indian cricket in the later half of 2007, and when he first met Sachin, he revealed that the great man told him that he wanted to retire from the sport.
If I think of Sachin Tendulkar at that time, where he was when I arrived in India, he wanted to give up the game. According to him, he was batting out of position. He wasn't enjoying his cricket at all. 3 years later, he scores 18 international hundreds in 3 years, goes back to batting where he wants to bat, and we win the World Cup.
The challenge was a massive one for Gary Kirsten. In his first interaction with Sachin Tendulkar, he asked Sachin as to what can he do for him. The great man only replied that be a friend to me rather than a coach. This is where Gary Kirsten proved to be a true friend to Sachin Tendulkar. Now, Gary Kirsten has also revealed that not for once he has asked Sachin Tendulkar to bat differently, to bat this way, to bat that way, but all he did was to produce an environment or create an environment around him in order to make him comfortable, because no one can teach Sachin Tendulkar how to play a straight drive or a cover drive. All he wanted to do was to make sure that he is in the best frame of mind in order to produce runs for India and, most importantly, win championships for the Blues.
I ended up having a great coaching journey with him, and that, for me, is where the essence of coaching is now. Certainly modern coaching. You're actually facilitating people's ability to be the best version of themselves. All I did was facilitating an environment for him to thrive. I didn't tell Sachin Tendulkar anything. He knew the game, but what he did need was an environment, not only him, all of them. An environment set up where they could be the best version of themselves.
Now, history has it that once Gary Kirsten took over as India's coach, Sachin Tendulkar's performance in all the formats at that time, which was Test cricket and ODIs, just rose to another level. At the age of 35 in 2007, Sachin Tendulkar scored over 6,000 runs in the next 3 years of his international career. And not forget that he scored 18 international hundreds. So clearly you can see the jump from a low confidence of Tendulkar, who was at the lowest of his career in 2007, 2008 to 2011, scoring 18 international hundreds over 6,000 runs. Clearly he was defying all odds there. But the biggest cherry on the cake came when India won the 2011 World Cup right here in Mumbai, in India, and that too in Sachin Tendulkar's hometown. It couldn't have been better or written better for the great man. Had not been for Gary Kirsten, Sachin Tendulkar would not have been a part of the iconic celebrations which we all remember for. He was taken for a lap of honor by all the Team India cricketers on their shoulders, and the great man lifted his maiden World Cup in 2011, that too in front of his home crowd. So what does this story tell you? This story tells you that Gary Kirsten had immense belief in himself and also had immaculate man management skills. because managing a player like Sachin Tendulkar cannot be easy. By the end of 2007, he had scored a lot of hundreds, already had gone past 10,000 runs in both the formats. He could have said goodbye to the game with his head held high. But what was Gary Kirsten's biggest contribution to Indian cricket is that of motivating the great man to make sure that he played the next World Cup and also emerged as a winner. That clearly tells you that even great cricketers, great sportspersons need motivation and the right kind of environment to ensure that they perform to the best of their ability. Also, after winning the 2011 World Cup, Gary Kirsten bid goodbye to Indian cricket. But in his last conference as Team India's head coach, he said a special thanks to Sachin Tendulkar. Why? Because Sachin Tendulkar promised him a lifetime friendship. This was just returning the favor. On the field, Gary Kirsten proved to be his good friend and someone who motivated him to bring out his best after the age of 35. And now off the pitch, when he has said goodbye to Indian cricket, Gary Kirsten was handed over the biggest gift in the form of the friendship from the Master Blaster. So how did you like this video? Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be waiting for that eagerly. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 across all social media platforms.